The topic is computer system concepts. So first we'll see what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device that is designed to work with information. Charles Babbage is called the grandfather of the computer. First mechanical computer was designed by Charles Babbage and it was called analytical machine. It uses read-only memory in the form of punch cards. Computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw data as input from the user and process this data under the control of set of instructions called program and gives the result output and saves output for the future use. It can process both numerical and non-numerical calculations. The basic components of the computer is input device section, output device section and storage devices. The basic functions in the computer: input device, output device, central processor unit CPU, mass storage device and memory. So input is the raw information entered into a computer from the input devices. It is the collection of letters, numbers, images, etc. Process is the operation of data as per given instruction. It is totally internal process of the computer system. Output is the processed data given by the computer after data processing. Output is also called as result. Storage, we can save these results in the storage devices for the future use. The use of the computer or the applications of computer in various fields. The fields may be education, health and medicine, science, business, recreation and entertainment, government, defense, sports, recording information, analyzing movements, writers, scoreboard, safety. So these are all the areas of the applications of the computer. So we discuss the basic computer operations. So first we will see what is input. This is the process of entering the data and programs into the computer system. You should know that computer is an electronic machine like any other machine, which takes as inputs raw data and performs some processing, gives out processed data. Therefore, the input unit takes data from us to the computer in an organized manner for processing. Next is storage. The process of saving data and instructions permanently is known as storage. Data has to be fed into the system before the actual processing starts. It is because the processing speed of CPU is so fast that the data has to be provided to CPU with the same speed. Therefore, the data is first stored in the storage unit for faster access and processing. This storage unit or the primary storage of the computer system is designed to do the above functionality. It provides space for storing data and instructions. The storage unit performs the following major functions. All data and instructions are stored before and after processing. Intermediate results of processing are also stored there. Processing. The task of performing operations like arithmetic and logical operations is called processing. The CPU, central processing unit, takes data and instructions from the storage unit and makes all sorts of calculations based on the instructions given and the type of data provided. It is then sent back to the storage unit. Output. This is the process of producing results from the data for getting useful information. Similarly, the output produced by the computer after processing must also be kept somewhere inside the computer before being given to you in human readable form. Again, the output is also stored inside the computer for further processing. Next is control. The manner how instructions are executed and the above operations are performed. Controlling of all operations like input, processing and output are performed by the control unit. It takes care of step-by-step processing of all operations inside the computer. The functional units may be arithmetic logic unit to perform arithmetic logic operations and control unit to control the operations, and central processing unit is for ALU and CU of the computer system are jointly known as central processing unit. Thank you.